So in this Bet365 tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place an NHL Jack Adams Award winner futures bet or an NHL Coach of the Year futures bet here on Bet365. So once you have Bet365 opened up on your device, I want you to go to the home screen right here, then go to the top left and press on the NHL logo right beside NBA and NFL. Press on NHL right here. Now to place a futures bet, on the top bar right here where it says lines, props, bet, boost, same game parlay, and futures, press on where it says futures in the top right hand side. Then press on where it says win outright to get different options. Then once you're here, I want you to go to regular season awards. So scroll up a little bit to where it says regular season awards. Press on that. Then as you can tell, for right now it says NHL futures for the Calder. That's not what we want. We want to scroll all the way down until we come across not Hot Memorial. We want to scroll down, keep scrolling down until we come across and it says the Jack Adams Award or the Coach of the Year Award. So let's just say for demonstration purposes, you wanted to place a Coach of the Year Awards bet or a Jack Adams futures bet on Canucks coach Rick Tocchet. We'll just take him as an example. Press on Rick Tocchet or the coach that you wish to place a wager on. Go to the bottom left, press on set wager, and then place bet on the bottom right hand side of your screen. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can place an NHL Jack Adams Award winner futures bet or an NHL Coach of the Year Award futures bet here on Bet365. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.